What's up, boys and girls? It's Saturday morning. It's time to get our workout on. Let's talk a little bit about what you've got in store today. Okay. To warm up, we're going to do 2 minutes worth of cardio. Let's move for 2 minutes. It's probably going to be pretty nice outside. I don't see any forecast for rain. Nice and sunny, pretty warm, even at 10 o'clock in the morning. It should feel great. Go out for a jog for 2 minutes. Run out for a minute, come back for a minute. Okay. After that, we're going to do 30 body hugs, shoulder circles to the front, to the back, some scorpions. Okay, we're going to do 20 scorpions. And then we're going to do some shoulder stretches. So if you jump into class with myself and Dana in the morning, we're going to take you through some extended shoulder movements just to get the shoulders nice and warm. Okay. With the body hugs, it's literally just do this for 30 reps, okay? With the arm circles, vary how big you are, okay? Move your thumbs, okay? I always say, let's adjust the thumbs. Thumbs to the sky, thumbs to the ground, thumbs forward, okay? The different angles at which you do this changes the shoulder girdle and we get a different stretch, okay? And it starts getting warm. 30 movements forward and backwards is gonna start burning pretty well, okay? So it's gonna get nice and warm. Don't think you can't stop and take a break. Stop, take a break if you need to, but finish your 30, okay? Forwards and backwards, okay? Vary the sizes up. Your scorpions, okay? Your scorpion, you're gonna lay down on the ground. This is the one where we're gonna take our arms out to the side, and we are going to reach opposite sides, trying to touch the hand with the foot, okay? Get 20 of those done, 10 each side. It's gonna get the back nice and loose, all right? After the warm-up is done, the Metcon, because it's straight up Metcon today. The warm-up's a little extended. The Metcon, we're gonna go for an 8-minute AMRAP with a 4-minute break, and then another 8-minute AMRAP. There is equipment options. If you have equipment and you've barred equipment, especially like barbells and stuff, let's get the bars out and I'll tell you what I want you to do with those here in a second. Your first 8-minute AMRAP is going to be 10 mountain climbers. It's all about 10 push presses and then 10 bent over rows. Each arm, if you've got dumbbells. With a barbell, we're going to go complete just 10 bent over rows. Okay, so let's talk about that. Your mountain climbers. That's in a plank position, and we bring our knees in, alternating. A left-right movement for today, so left-right, that's 1. Okay, so if you want to count it for 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's fine. If not, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, or left-right 1, however you need to do it. Okay, 10 total. After that, we've got the push press. Dumbbell over the head, okay? Strict press if you need to, or if you want to, make it a little more difficult, depends on how much weight you got. If you don't have a lot of weight, let's strict press. If you have a lot of weight and you don't have smaller dumbbells, let's push press, okay? If you've got a barbell, let's push press. If you don't have a lot of weight, let's strict press, okay? We'll talk about that on the in the coach's meeting or like in the coach class tomorrow. Okay. Your bent over rows. Flat back, all the way up the chest. 10, switch, 10, done. If you got a barbell, same weight you use for the shoulder movement, let's bend over, bring it up to the chest. But we're only going to do 10 reps. So if you've got a barbell, 10 total. If you're using dumbbell, 10 each arm. Okay. So that's going to be an 8-minute AMRAP. The 10 mountain climbers, the 10 presses, and then the 10 rows. As many times as you can, 8 minutes. Take a 4-minute break, move on to the next 8-minute AMRAP. Then you go 10 dips, 10 curls with whatever you're using to do your pressing and stuff with. If you need to drop weight in your 4-minute break, that's fine. Okay, whatever we have to curl with, we're gonna curl. If you've got heavy weight, you can get a little kip into it and think about kind of like a clean, okay, alternate. If you have a barbell, let's do barbell curls, okay? Lighter weight barbell curls, okay? You can also, let's say you've got a pull-up bar. We're trying to get biceps involved. Let's do some pull-ups. That's a good addition, okay? do 10 pull-ups. After that, we're going to go 10 standing jumps. So basically, it's kind of like getting explosive power if you don't have a box. If you got a box, do 10 box jumps. If you don't have a box, 10 jumps with your knees up as high as you can. Okay. If you can't jump, let's get on something. I'll show you here in a second. We'll sit and we'll jump up, or we'll stand up really fast. Okay. Dips. We can come off of something, a chair, a box, get our dips on. If you're able to, get 2 things and we can dip between 2 things. Just like if there were rings, we can dip through. Okay. After the dips, we got the curls for the girls. All right. Everybody knows what a curl is. And the last thing is the jumps. Okay. Jump nice and high. Bring your knees up. Okay. If you have to, sit. Okay. And explode up. Okay. Squeeze in the tushy. Get up for 10. All right. Pretty straightforward with those 2. So you got your 8-minute, a 4-minute break, another 8-minute. If you got any questions, shoot me a message. We'll see you guys on the Zoom calls.